How do you deal with unpaid bills in a probate situation? And what's the timeline for creditors to collect debts from an estate? To better understand this process, I've created this video to break it down step by step. First, it's essential to create a comprehensive list of any outstanding bills or debts that may arise even before the probate commences. This initial step will help you prepare and get a clear understanding of what lies ahead. The debts associated with an estate can encompass various financial obligations such as mortgages, personal loans like car student loans, utilities, homeowner association fees, credit card balances, taxes, and insurance premiums such as homeowners or car insurance. It's crucial to verify the validity of these debts and assess whether immediate action is required. However, I strongly advise against making any payments on behalf of the deceased without consulting an experienced probate attorney. Also, before I continue, I wanted to say my name is Corpus from eXp Realty. I'm a probate real estate expert based in the San Francisco Bay Area who helps families navigate through the probate process. Depending on the unique circumstances of your loved one's probate case, it's possible that no creditor payments will be necessary. It's important to remain patient during the probate process, which can often be quite extended, particularly when addressing deceased's outstanding debts. As you await the court's decisions regarding probate or trust administration, there's no need to stress dealing about creditors demanding payments. It's important to inform creditors about the deceased's status by providing them with a notice of death. When communicating with creditors seeking payments, politely inform them of the situation, emphasizing that all payments are temporarily suspended and any further communication should cease until the court issues its ruling. It's worth noting that interest accrual and late fees should be halted during the probate process to ensure fairness while managing the deceased's estate. Creditors typically have the opportunity to submit both formal and informal claims against the deceased's estate. Once the personal representative, known as the executor or administrator, is appointed by the probate court, they have the authority to use the estate's assets to pay off these debts. The specific time frame for creditors to submit written claims can vary from state to state. For example, in California, creditors have a 12-month period from the date of receiving notice of death to file their claims. If the state lacks sufficient liquid assets to cover the debt, the personal representative may need to sell other assets to generate funds for settling these obligations. This is where consulting with a probate attorney becomes crucial. If you encounter debt collection problems, advise the deceased side to a lawyer. In cases where the total debt exceeds the assets, the essentially require which debts to pay. Will pay will prior creditors as do so to make you personally liable for other payments. Don't allow creditors to accumulate you over the phone. Instead, consult with somebody well-versed in this process to ensure you take the appropriate actions while managing the deceased's estate during this potentially stressful period. You deserve the opportunity to grieve without the added burden of relentless creditors. Keep in mind that the probate process can extend over several months and sometimes even years. Being well prepared when handling the estate of the deceased will make managing their debt after their passing more manageable. Thanks for checking out this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, or leaving any questions or comments. I look forward to sharing more valuable